that good, baby? Oh gosh, she loves her grass. Oh no! Where's the grass? Huh? Oh, attack the grass. You like the grass, sweetie? You got pieces of it on the ground. Eat those down there. Good gracious. You like your grass? Is that good? Oh my gosh. Cleo can eat her some grass now. She's already mowed it down 3 inches. Look at that. Is that good? Yummy. Oh, don't take it yet, Mom. There. Good girl. You love your grass. You're a good little mower. Put you out in the grass. Out in the yard, huh? Get it, baby girl. Oh, Cleo! No! 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 You can't have the whole thing. You can't have the whole thing. No. Good girl. You're funny. You really like this stuff, don't you? I swear she'd eat the entire thing of cat grass if I'd let her. Or she'll take it out and hide it somewhere. Is that good? What are you doing? You have almost destroyed it. What are you doing? Cleo. She loves her cat grass. You're welcome, sweetheart. You're welcome. Is that good? Yeah. Oh, I have a feeling you're going to take it all. What are you doing? Is that good? Oh my goodness, it's so good. Yes, oh, you're welcome. All right, let's put it up. Come on. Put it up. What? You ready to put it up? Oh, no? I gotta put it outside, okay? Alright, let's put it outside. There's a whole bunch more on the ground. Cleo. Come on. There, you've mowed a bunch off. Eat it. Good gracious. Gonna get it? You got a whole bunch down there. Look. Look down there at Mommy's feet. No, you don't need any more. Cleo. Cleo. I know. I gotta put it outside for a little while, okay? Here, eat this. Come here. Here. Here, eat these. Look down here, look. Here, look. Look. Good girl.